Today we were on a trek to Nakhind, for which we alighted at Vangani Railway station and then took a 10-minute auto rickshaw ride to Bedes village, from where we started our trek. We were greeted with beautiful water streams and greenery all over. After a 45-minute walk, you reach another village of 15 to 20 houses, and from there is where the actual trek starts. It had been an hour and a half since we left the village before. The path till now was a gradual climb. Now we could see Nakhind in the far distance. A 15-minute walk along this ridge led us to Nakhind, which is basically a hole in the mountain caused by Mother Nature. The wind up here was quite strong and constantly hitting us very hard. After reaching the top, we just embraced the moments as we discussed our past trekking experiences. We could see some other forts from here as well, like Chanderi Vikatgarh.
Hi, we are almost come towards the end of the trek. We are reaching the first village which comes between Bedes and Nakhind. So we would have our lunch there and then move towards Bedes. So it's now around 1 o'clock. So we reached Nakhind at around 11:15 or 11:20 and stayed there till around 12. And then started our descent at 12. It took us 1 hour to reach this village here. So yeah, now we would have a lunch here and then say another 30 minutes we should reach Bedes and then go to Vangani.